A blue plate, ma'am. Ako rin ganun na pink.
Nasa siya pink, kaya nawala siya.
Naka-per JD Ben sa Facebook account ko. I-friend mo ako.
Yeah.
Ay, salamat. Paabot na din lang.
I think I still have my birthday tomorrow.
I still have my birthday tomorrow.
That is good. 13 is also my birthday.
You have a lot of birthdays.
Also, I feel like the boat.
Emergency.
Okay,
Ako
you want
eh.
more?
With,
Highly friendly.
You want
Yeah, I
more?
will.
asking you.
JD Ben.
More?
What?
You still have one more.
Oh.
So many. Surprise.
What's inside? What's inside?
Oh my god. Oh my god. What do you say? What do you say?
Good.
You like it?
And
So much?
Now can I
Charo, ini klase, ini padaghanay, may
Okay, that's the second gift, right?
sayang klase.
How old are you?
7?
You're still 7?
7. Yeah.
8.
How old are you tomorrow?
I ate.
Oh my god, you're 8. Okay, the third gift.
Wow.
Maluit.
Oh my god.
Padaghanay lagi.
Solid ribbon.
Ay, sus. Karon
Are there still more?
Yes!
There's still more.
Wag kalimutan i-friend mo ako dyan sa Facebook account.
Yeah.
You want more?
Do you have more?
Wow.
Third gift.
Clip niya ako. May surprise, guys. Grabe sa ko ka-surprise.
Surprise ka, mom?
What's inside? Wow!
You know what's that?
Wait, stop.
You have to make your bracelets, your headband.
You like it?
I really want to try this.
I really want to try it. Siya lulot, pwede na siya ka mag-anak o pa ba?
Are there still
Yes! There's still more!
There's still more.
Ako na lang yan.
Pwede ko namin sa iyo. Paano yun yung nagigigis-gisod sa sayo?
Pero mas gusto ko si
Yung
Zoro.
mga saba ko ba, naka-hair clip?
Zoro in one piece.
No, Zoro.
Ang tayo ng unicorn.
Unicorn. Why not? What's this?
Or Doctor Strange na lang. Doctor
I
Strange.
have one. Oh my god.
Doctor Weakness.
Oh my god.
It's a different color.
Okay, we'll keep you busy.
Or
You have to make your own earrings, your own necklace, your own bracelet.
Wow. See?
so that they will not be
Gonna try?
destroyed.
Okay?
There's more.
There's more.
Yes, of course, there's more.
There's more. Balhin na nila. Birthday. Magdagin na nila. Magdagin. Right? Ani, paabot ko sa kung
What?
another another one. Fresh company. Thank you sa Shopee. Okay, so we will make lots and lots of necklace. You can give some to your last.
Liar.
You want more?
Oh, that's 4.
Ako na naging-kapo yan.
Ma'am, di, ikabalik din mo makadahan ba na po ka?
May padaghan na yun. Padaghan na yun. May hair clip. Isa tayo mong classmate, nagtang hair clip, si Claire. Wes, panda ka Claire. They're coming.
The last but not the least.
Oh,
100 pesos. 100,000 pesos.
Ako po naman, may pilit na.
lahi na ba siguro niya? Ay. Okay. This one. Oh, more.
Oh my god.
Uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it? Okay. You want to wear this now? Wait. Happy birthday, you happy?
Yes.
And what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Abisado.
And
Tito Romel.
Tito Roman.
and Tito Ron. And mommy, of course.
Yeah.
Ay, kuya.
Yeah.
And Lola.
Birthday.
I want to say that.